Hello, welcome to Tech to Learn, where you learn coding and more. Today, in this video, we're going to learn about the basic input-output functions with examples. Without delay, let's roll the intro. First, now we are going to see C++ cout functions. In C++, cout sends formatted output to standard output devices like screens. We basically use the cout object along with this type of operators for displaying the output. Like in this example, we used cout object with this type of operator to print this is C++ programming string to the output. Now we are going to see the examples of numbers and character output. Like in this example, int num1 equal to 70, double num2 equal to 256.783 and char ch equal to character A. Now here in the cout function we used endl. Here endl is a manipulator is used to insert a new line. That's why each output is displayed in new line. The operator can be used more than once if you want to print different variables, strings and so on in a single statement. For example, cout character, variable ch and endl. In this example, we used the literal and the variable in the same statement. In that case, we use this operator so many times. By this, we can say that we can use one or more variables or strings in a single statement. Now we are going to see C++ basic input function. In C++, cin takes formatted input from standard input devices such as the keyboard. We use cin object along with the greater than operator for taking input. In the program, we used cin greater than num. To take input from the user, the input is stored in the variable num. We use the greater than operator with cin to take the input.